On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Naked and Famous. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. The Naked and Famous was invented in 2011 at the famous Death & Company bar in New York City. The drink's name comes from the 1996 rap single Tricky Kid by the artist Tricky. Joaquín Simó, the drink's creator, called the drink the bastard child born out of an illicit Oaxacan love affair between the famous Last Word cocktail and the paper plane. The drink shares the 4 equal parts structure that both cocktails feature, pulling the Chartreuse from the one, the Aperol from the other, which help to sweeten up the smoky Mezcal. Overall, the drink is very simple to make, but very complex in flavor profiles, which makes it a great one for us to make for you today. Let's get to it. We already have our shaker tin full of ice. Let's get these bottles out of the way. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of 4 ingredients here. Also have lime juice. Got that cut. I'm going to squeeze it for you here. Got a fancy new lime squeezer. 3/4 of an ounce. That is perfectly 3/4. Again, already have ice in our shaker. Then we're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of our Yellow Chartreuse. This is a new one for the channel. Just actually picked this up recently. Almost as equally difficult to find as the green Chartreuse we've mentioned before. We'll do a future video maybe describing the differences from the two. Both are made by the same Carthusian monks that have been making this for many generations. Pretty cool stuff. Next we have Aperol. Not a lot of drinks we make use of Aperol. A lot of paper planes, some Aperol spritzes. But the Aperol, the sweetness and the peach flavors really work well in this drink. Again, we're trying to sweeten up the smokiness of the Mezcal. Mezcal is great by itself. It is a strong flavor though for sure. To make a cocktail with it, you really got to add some sweetness to it. We use a 400 Cajones Reposado Mezcal. Picked this up actually at the duty free on a recent airport trip. It was one that I could not find locally. With all of our ingredients in there, we'll go ahead and toss our lid on and shake it up. Nice and cold to the touch. I'm using our coupe glass. Don't need a garnish for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and strain this in. It's got a great color to this. Perfect. Nice. I can smell the smokiness from the Mezcal already. Let's go ahead and try it out. Cheers. This drink smells great. Fantastic. Just the right amount of sweetness. If you like a paper plane, which is one of our absolute favorite cocktails, the Mezcal is replacing the bourbon. Some other changes as well, but man, it's got a great smoky finish. This is a good high-end Mezcal. It's a decent middle grade Mezcal, we'll call it. Great smoky finish to it from that. Some sweetness up front. Just a great sipping cocktail. Yeah, I love this one. Great drink. Please try this one, guys. I think you're also going to love the Naked and Famous. So everyone, thanks for watching. I appreciate it so much. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below. We'll see you soon. Cheers. The drink's creator, Joaquín Simó, called it the bastard child born out of an illicit Oaxacan love affair. I don't remember the rest now.
Oh.